I'm Ammar. I just graduated from the computer science degree from IIT with a first class honors, and if you can see these, they've got some extra awards as well. So if I would give a short description about myself, I honestly didn't do computer science in A levels. I did mathematics and chemistry. So why the change of heart to switch from chem to computer science? Well, the thing was, I did not find much interest in what I was doing, so just wanted to explore the boundaries and ran into this by accident, and it was something I really look forward to. So yeah, if I were to talk about some extra leadership skills I did during school, I was quite president for a few clubs and societies, so I think that carried forward into university life as well. So what I want to highlight here is IIT, right, does not spoon feed you, and this was quite a skeptical argument I had when I initially joined, is that will I be learning everything I need to learn, or would I have to look into something if I want to learn something extra? And that was the case that happened as well. I had to look into stuff my own and figure out stuff on the way and learn and grow gradually as I went along. So people would say that that is an issue, but I would argue and say that that is something which should help you in future, because when you go into the industry, it is something completely different, and it is not going to be something like in school where you will be caught and taught on something if you make a mistake. You carry the burden on your shoulder and you have to walk forward taking responsibility. So that is something I learned in IIT, particularly when it comes to leadership, because I think I was the first in my batch to publish a research paper, so that is some remarkable achievement I carried forward, right? And if you look into my professional side, I'm currently a software engineer at 99X, and I got in through with just one interview. So that is an advantage from IIT. I did the interview only for my internship time, and because of my performance during internship, I was just called for a full-time job. So I didn't do a full-time interview, I was just given the job opportunity, and I took it, of course. So my achievements, I achieved the best final year project for the degree of computer science, as well as the gold medal for the degree with the highest achievement, right? So as simple as that, nothing more I can tell. If I were to give some brief insights for the future generation, is that if we look at universities and how I wanted to find something for my future, I looked at quite a few within Sri Lanka. Since I did A-levels in Cambridge curriculum, not in national, I had to look towards the London syllabus degrees. So there was RIC, there was SLIT and many others, but IIT was what caught my attention just because of the fact that it was an internal degree offered from London universities, and it is a BSc recognized qualification. So apart from this, I have one more qualification to mention, that is in MBQSA I got a merit award for my final year project as well. So that is another highlight I want to say. Within the top 10 in the country, I was able to get a merit award because of my final year project. And that was all because of the lecturers and academic staff within this esteemed institution. Because if you look at other universities, what I have understood is that the lecturers here are quite different, and they want to push and support you to achieve what you want to achieve. And there's nothing going to stop you from that. No one except yourself. So push harder, try your best, and all the very best.